right, guys, today we're going to show you how to use glucose test strips for your Lactase Enzyme Lab. Like every lab, we're going to put our glasses on, so go ahead and do that ahead of time. What I also like to do ahead of time is get my liquids organized and my test strips out of the container. So I have two test strips here. I have two liquids. On the right is my control liquid. On the left is going to be my test liquid. Supposedly this is going to have the glucose. So I try to formulate a prediction in my mind, but I have a pen available and I have my test strips on a paper towel, and you can actually write on the paper towel. Just like the pH test strips, these are function as indicators. So you can see the green color on here. So I'm going to dip this in the liquid. This is going to be my control liquid. At the same time, and I can leave that in there for about 30 seconds or so, I can also put my test strip in the test liquid. Once I'm ready, I can take this out. Alternatively, you can use the pipette. These, I think you can also put in the liquid. They're pretty easy to put in the liquid and take out. So this one I'm going to take out and I'm going to put on the paper towel, and I'm actually going to put control. I'm going to write control group right there. And this one I can take out also, and I'm going to put my test, and I can put test 1. You can already see that there's some color change, but like the pH, we're going to allow them to completely dry before we make any decisions here. While they're drying, I'm going to actually get another one just to show you that you can also use the chart on here to start comparing your test strips. Okay, as you can see, the control test strip, okay, you can match that up, is more like the original. So I'm going to call this a negative for glucose. So no glucose is present. It matches mostly what it looked like before. This one, as you can see, is going to be a green color, but the green is different. It's not that aqua green anymore. It's more like an army green. And so anything other than the original color, we say it's a positive test. You can see that there are other colors. They tell you parts per million, but we're not going to use that in the lab. So these test strips are usually used to test urine. Don't try that. But they're usually used to test sugar in the urine, and we know that's bad because that can be an indication of early diabetes. Okay, and that's your lesson for today.